Ebusian for aha Egana 70 VGH. Mesro like, comment, subscribe, turning on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for John Mama, His Excellency. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas to you. NDC foot soldiers, Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year to you. Now, the reason I'm saying I'm greeting these people, and first, John Mahama, His Excellency, secondly, NDC foot soldiers, John Mahama, His Excellency, has promised Ghanaians a lot of things. One of those things I'll promise here, initiative via on our friend of big push. Big push, pushing. Where the but big push. Now, such big push, understanding in say, the year of roads. Kufuado, a buying year, a kind of photocopy of that and infrastructural development. And now, a big push ni, a big push ni now NDC for person implementing. Now, such big push in one day now. President John Mahama, Ekati sword, I think in 3 different places, about Volta, or Accra, and I think Ashanti region. The private jet, no, the Sarans in 10. Say, Obe launch big push, no. Before Obe battle, ya Volta region, ha. Ya who say, Omudi, drip equipment, a clear road, no, almost be, double 2 by 2 here, 2 here. And to vote for a tunyum, a papa aba, kwen aba, or the sempa aba 24 hour, no, a big push, and all people were so elated, happy, rejoicing. Me one of them say, I dare ya mabe clear kwan we, Your mama bakwa, ombe jai kwan we, omunye hushi. People did not listen. It was for Andrew one matempo. Contractors for na o be clear kwan no se o be kwan no voter hadie o mo ni kwan no subio o ma jakpa nowhere to be found. And like I say me kai say sire mu mi kan wie ye no and na me se mi san kokro mi ko hwe na ekoswa e kwan a NDC for promise me nkro for say on ba be here from scratch. Just say, Kota ewa hono mbe yini na abeye no asphalt 2 hano from ho to a flower no. Munu mini amuye. Afiro mu pachi kwa no. Patching na muye okwa no sezi o. Se obi a ofele se mitwa ntro no. Eye ekro bi wo ho ha efe no dave. Mu de mu fa ka be hwe dave kwa no so. Big push no adani big patch. Ye pachi kwan no. Na catch nkrofo say abato bia e wo sunsusanso no. We mu na ye kika. Someone will promise you they're coming to make your roads good, they're coming to asphalt your road. Meanwhile, these people could not even do so-called to whole road. It took MPP to come and do it. But we spoke to our people, they did not listen. They said NDC there is for Volta region, who Voltarian, who support NDC, who support MPP, and all those. Today, big push has become big patch. Ebusian for Akramo. I'll see you in the next one. Don't go anywhere. An interesting video is up next. Cheers.
Yeah, you know, be near him so and trapper say, near him say, Chessa or day, that was say, Bruno, Omacasa Cochia Coca, Ututu Brugu, now also saw another continue Butunuso, and that is who he is. Or the idea or no other for so said Jadiano. Now, what Jadiani we are, the idea to do attempt, and the corner said, the Amaya Mauni into Wumpo. And so baby Dimechi. Young fair known to all. But Kennedy has a strength. Also the strength. Or when the weakness or when the strength. Yeah, Papa Brian, or when the weakness or when the strength. Yeah, Papa Baumia, or when the weakness or when the strength. Inti anke bane sen anka krache fo kama muni na mo se mo kwako. Na beya sebe mumu bi agye se mo mfa nya de papa nti. Matumani ade asi nipa ba akoso. And of a hang. Enema hu di ECC. and then one who kwanya and crofo we didn't kakra ede sign Dr. Bawumieti. Che Kennedy san interview we are koye ye no. And that's where I want to start from. Mami, baby a Kennedy koye an interview no. And no trend girl out here Kennedy interview a Kennedy fall ye no. E ba mu say papa no dey be untumi the president on your fit. Okay, I said well now Ipa Kennedy pa and I spoke with you extensively. Me too for so many times said baby mami. Your passion and your hard work are with the DMPP, you know. Men ko to ahun odingu. Ukodi Kennedy echa watu ahun odingu. I told you that.
Yeah, it's true.
And then, am I wrong for telling you that? One kasa de ekos to the American in the emu na embemu.
Bemu life.
In some ben am na okafa no ho embemu. Ye no mu bi no sabe nam ne am bi ntina na ye mpese papa no ye betetete no ho ba ye hu say we si o say ye kwan so no ye mpene ma ne mbese yen. Sabe utu e dachi obedi MPP women organizer efataw. O tena o mu bi abesai sa women organizer na dachi ubetumi adi na na. There be. Hwe you go and sit on an interview. Idea we hear Harris, people are not taking this thing serious, eh? Kennedy, not some more kind of me and family who so talk car man, why so talk diamond, why may no proxy and family home. Diana who ne say or compiling near me guhona when we near or the big pramo. Ona mu said be papa na adwene nenye. Adwene ni sa. Adwene ni sa. It's like telling a girl say that girl we sika me tu ama na pa me china me won ba ko pepe me jai no obviously girl no obebi mama o mi emu ma cause when me say wo na obejai no na ope party e di anim papa nyansani a wo na wo say unyansan creative nyuma na wanya opportunity akotena sabi hwe. Let me chip this in onim Katrina Feku. Katrina Feku Katrina Feku is actually selling Kennedy's message better than anybody he has taken to the market to work for him. Katrina Feku, I watched the interview on one of the Assassin Radio for 3 version, and she was precise. They are flag bearer nankasa going to mean kano. They are or no Kennedy nankasa into mean chire. Katrina Feku was doing justice to it, and in my head I'm like, and this woman wouldn't push Katrina Feku. He would rather go and push na atoshi. Na uwia wabeka se unim na atoshi. Na atoshi yen onwan kasa na de. Delegate for ma Kennedy Japan sika ma won mini se wo nyansani mesre wo nyansani. Onam ya ode no na na omedidi eja me bisa mo apart from so be bi adwuma. Policy ben pa no de aba o se delegate na grassroots ebebo amo. Ebio the fact so be create adwuma ne nkyerese obi abenya adwuma ye mame Canada na mete matena kromu wa next year na medi 26 years ne ametu kwan me be kromu na mo 14 years. Okay, Canada's unemployment rate is higher than Ghana. Obi apa on checking is easier. The funny thing about it, Canada has more factories and more jobs than Ghana. Now, do you know why I compare the two of them? Because of the population. Canada, your population is 34-35 million. The whole Canada. Assassin so kwa any penny. And until I mean why or Mobema Vesa na ya no much or Momo to one nipa. Mobema yes, so about no media commerce Somalia for no mobile on Yejuma. Or be one was Yakoda buy so abaya toka mano, na abay tuanaka. Or no yen tuanaka keke. Yen Ghana for na baby dual bruni at the Yama Vesa now the aba. But Canada and Ghana has the same population. But the unemployment rate in Canada is higher than Ghana. Nana do dan kwaku fu ado aban oja actual inflation actual unemployment at 4.0 4.2 the max 4.0 4.2 the max. If you check those grades now a whole any they call here oba no youth unemployment rate na ye 10. Under John Mahama youth unemployment rate was 15-16. The actual unemployment rate was they left it, was it 6.5 or 5.6, one of them. And I only free abem. Inti se omo obi ka kire so obi create adwuma kekenti for president Shannon sa. Na wan nwene hu yi. Ebio hwese ye de wakotena TV so. na yɛse ka de a wobɛtumi ayɛ ana obi aka biribi na yi ano na maame wohwɛ wo Nyankopɔn ɔbɔ w'anim sɛ party na wo srɛ wɔn mo delegate sɛ yɛnto aba ma wo no wo pile nneɛma sɛ in case wo man to ama wa de bɛsɛ wɔm hello and delegate ɔbɛto aba ma sa man Kennedy no we nipa bɔne you don't deserve to be a delegate. I swear to God. Mame, delegate you betumi asori ano pedware abɔ ne moto mu pada etutu chow pass or koto aba e di ama Kennedy no wo sa delegate na I'm sorry wadwene wo form na wo di wo fu ene wo nkwase ani bre na ade nam me fancy mo because delegate no sebe yeso so mo so dodo yeso so mo so anu makwaje 10,000 mu wi na mu su ena me ba pay college we nya ofui okwaje 10,000 free no no be de no do ba college ye ka bibia na mama bibia yayi na ena on ba betie ena we go and vote ubetu san kwase aba no na abebre enya me kwasi apia metebe Canada ena me pa me de yi me wo machine omudi yeti me de pod ko shem sisi ebe yeti ama me sisi am wo crackers wa ha me wo brodo wa ha me di kama wa wote bo mu ho ne wa wote kede ho ne wa wote awaham kwanta ho ne wa didi no more better near the 10,000 Ghana. You see, and only baby mame, the ayam yan says Sika ya demo munusu nyeske biao. Ya manike siya 10,000 Ghana. You sell your life, you sell the life of your children for 10,000 Ghana. Now no oji ni Sika say we are delegating to ya no. O we ni no wa mesho wa na oba be de say and a party no and I say omo nhwe party. Sika na nko betumi dia hwe party no. Wa ma ne dia ma dia show botom say okoto aba dia ma no. Let's start getting smart. Kennedy, Japan is not the presidential material. Kennedy, Japan, after all this one, could be a wubemu second time with DMame, and Sanka Papanica San and Yamasaka Kra. Na party na Yamfansha one sano. What could Jinaho no waka same way? Now only mame. Again, me mamu, especially more TikTok for na yen in our hand. Me mamu be warning. Some ye at the bonny way, but we are my maintain sa leadership we are on. Unyankopon fan chamoda because you want to sabotage Dr. Baumia's win. There is no point, said Dr. Baumia be winning the primaries known to mean winning main election. That is bogus. Main election into we don't want just a flag bearer. We want somebody who is going to win the power. The current leadership we are you weak. Mame, some current leadership we are NPP more current leadership, especially general secretary all the way down. Mame, you bogus. Mama, 2 reasons. Omu bogus are omu ye say. And one am the rap no problem. Omu bogus wa omu ye say. 1. According to my constitution, now a friend NPP constitution, and many more. There was something called conduct, party member conduct. So we a party ni na okotna bonten na okutia na oka bibia at the party na ni onyam eba for mo say etwe so sa na mra ne se. Nti so obi kotena TV so. So obi kotena TV so tie ni yo so obi kotena TV so. Na oka se mo akwan a mo fa so di wini ye meka e kire se mo wie mu ana meboa. Meboa. So bit me ko jina because a proxy vote in nipa ba kope to 200. That is an indictment on the party. Yes, ni ko do pen we ayira. Yes, ni ko do pen we ayira. Na bronya konya ni sika dia set ono an station kakra bojo awo ye no abeka kire ni say ono anya ya wo de wadwuma beto. Yes, ni ko do is a disgraced person. I don't care what anybody tells me. I don't care what he gives you. I don't care how he smiles with you. He is weak. Just in code, you weak. The second thing about the party. Yes, sorry, I say party and penny for me, per discipline. Now say Kennedy, why shouldn't Brian also go and talk about his stuff? And saying to Brian, so a quarter on to be no. Attach as a quarter now, on to be. And then Matis is Gideon Wako Swako. I believe so on Swako to be. Is that the party of discipline?
When we say kwana bia man say so no so eton Ghana card no. Nti say o Sam George office there Ghana card na say ahwede ya twitwa ahye robam ne eton. wɔtɔn a no waribi wɔtɔn a no waribi nti yɛsɛ wɔnyɛ sika sɛ tam no ka sɛ Sam George within 11 months no be every day bia utimi ton card maako 20 chale na 20 times 5 cry say we yan 1 week is kaketwa enti banks ne say every day bia nipa 20 and the Ghana card ba say omba be account and foreigners no so we say when your bank account to Ghana there are a lot of things you can do and they can use remittance to no mo dia real sika warning say so mo mpanimfo na ahwe wo ma de besi mpanimfo so mo aya mo post no koko sika nkofo na ehwe no omo mfi grassroots no yesu obi wo kra ofre na wonfa na no akra de video ba ko amehwe ba ko bi ayaye no say deputy brown minister o say MP o say de okobu Chinese ni bi otene ka mu anu no say Chinese for na say yensuo no nti akwa ne kobo na me say power so timi mani pa bodam wo biti ne kam no kwa akobo no ada ya Chinese for na me yensuo say utie NDC a onti ase utie o na uti kra ya because sankofo ni nya o madwene say ombeboa o man no what ye yo ombeboa o man kan ko no koko eniema bebre ekosoa udwene hu a ubusa se kuro no ekɔ nanim ana eba nachi na strangely kuro na eba nachi no eba nachi with full speed o na nka kuro bɛkɔ nanim no wɔn de wɔn ma articulator no atisane na eba se gbagbagbagbagbagbagbagbagba NDC ehu bɔtɔ na wɔn de kura ahyem attorney general ba wa beja ne nkɔfo NPP for so okas watch o man no koko every day bia omo evidence yira and that time I want to me call court ya answer nya evidence etimi busa se enim guase na ya omo gu nipa o social media omo de omo ba social media court ebegu omo anim ase no omo ko gina the main court omo ka se omo ni evidence no ya no mpeso omo kire sen no koko be kakra no enkofo eduabo na enkofo be buru omo because now language and this itiasie no ebe eduabo on show kakra Dr. Omane Bua mane sama de mo mu okofo dia no ma hu se sankofo nsane ma no mtiasie on hu se de pandai bis ne kobo wo mu no a omudwane no ma hu se sane ma no mtiasie enti be kakra no NDC ni kasa memfi no koye nyankoma de kaka bi ya vim na eno ano no se Mustafa Bandi wa hu se MPP for na kofa mali for ma yeye dudu enti omu ni se dudu die mu odu no omu ka se panda on agro no omu di o obi akoto aba wi ni obi over 3,000 wa be gina se wa twani nyinam si yankoto foforo na sebi NDC for na boa judge for me the judge no membu no na emom so ogidi se ni decision no eye no obehwe han si yankoto aba no foforo na ntokwasi a me kano kurachi se ntokwasi pandai sa judge no one ne ma omonfo mu ni ebetra ko enti de bia no meka se enye bibia na wodi knowledge ebeye eto de bia fa wisdom ne common sense eto eya ade ubetima bu judgment nipa ne the 40 constituency 40 polling station naba they will control all the polling station because of what abro no gogo me de manusi no me pese me kase me die sesi ano Dr. Baumia